Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 6 minus x to the power 3 is equal to 2, or taking this 2 to left side we will get x to the power 6 minus x cube minus 2 is equal to 0, or here we can write x cube whole square minus x cube minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let x cube is equal to y. So our equation is y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now here we can apply middle term breaking rule, so we can write here y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, or taking common y to first two term we will get y times y minus 2, and taking common plus 1 to last two term we will get y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 2 we will get y minus 2 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here y minus 2 is equal to 0 and or y plus 1 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 2 and here y is equal to negative 1. But remember, let y is equal to x cube, so here we can write x cube is equal to 2 and here x cube is equal to negative 1. Now here we need the value of x, so we can apply cube root both sides. So we can write here cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 2. This cancel out this, so the value of x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 3. Now here taking this negative 1 to left side we will get x cube plus 1 is equal to 0, or x cube plus 1 cube, because 1 cube are same as same 1 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply this algebra rule, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Apply this rule here, we can write here x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now taking this 1 to right side we will get x is equal to negative 1, so the value of x is equal to negative 1. Or here we can apply quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to 1. So x is equal to negative, b is equal to negative 1, so we can write here negative 1 plus or minus a square root of negative 1 square minus 4 times 1 over 2 times 1 is equal to negative times negative, it will be positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square, that means 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus, here we can write square root of minus 3 over 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3 by 2. Now attention here, this is a imaginary value, so it will be rejected. So our value of x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 3 and x is equal to -1. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.